Hello YouTube, it's a unboxing video with the compact multi-tool Grylls, and it's one with 10 tools and a pocket guide. On the back it shows you everything. The picture. Let's open it. Might be a bit hard to open it, but open it like this. Then it's hard. So here it is. It's got spring-loaded action. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break when you squeeze it, and if you can see that, it says bear, and it's really good. It has a metal grip to it. Got a lanyard ring there. So it's really good tweezers, and then this is how big it is. It's quite heavy for it. It's about 3 ounces. But yeah, so it's a flathead screwdriver. A bottle opener, I think. The Phillips screwdriver, quite good. The don't know what that is, but yeah, I don't care. And here you have the tweezers. They look really good. And so as you can see on this side, it says blade and serrated. So let's open the serrated one. Oh, wrong way. Ah, that's hard to open. Try this one. There we go. That's the blade. It's very sharp. Let's try this. Just that cuts pretty easily, and yeah, that's a good finer knife. You got there. You got a little thing so you can put your thumb there and scrape and stuff in your finger if you like carving. So that bit's good. It's gonna be a struggle to get this out, but I'll try and get it out for you. And get this out. Oh, there you go. Right, and there's a serrated knife. Really good sharp, and go like this, and we go. That's good. Cuts really nicely, that. And yeah, that's really good. Good stuff, and it's all really good. It's a Gerber Grylls. So yeah, I really like it. It's better. So see you guys. Hope you enjoy.